Hey guys. Hey. Good morning. Oh, what's going on with this ES? I guess nothing. Turn the NBT off. I turned. Oh, look at this one. Yo, look at this one. 733. $500. I turned. What is going on here with oil? I need to actually turn oil back on because it was a loser last night. Like I lost like $200, but I really like it during the day to just do some manual trading. I took profit in gold. This was just green $900. I took $500. You can see this 485 here. You can see my account number here. This has been a pretty good week. The NASDAQ was pretty choppy for a few days, but yesterday it was 2 for 2, and today it was good. I'll show you this, but I don't want to keep it on. Oh, I could actually just turn the strategy off. All right, so this was the huge move. It ran up 200 points in just a few minutes. And then it had some back and forth choppiness like it does right now. All right, strategy's off because I don't want to be putting another one of those trades. With the volatility that's happening, I do like this fast NQ I put up. This, my heat map is ready to go, so I'm going to do some manual trading here in a minute. What is submitting? Oh, now gold isn't along. So this is a $900 pullback before maybe it moves higher, so we'll check on that. My max loss on gold is 500. So let's see what it can do. This is the first day running this gold. Yesterday, it freaking had a $2,500 day. You can see it kind of ran up, pulled back, ran up. But this is my first time running it. And I looked over and it said I was green like $790. And I was like, what? I was like, let me go check on this. And then I moved my trail close and then it got hit. Can you guys hear me? Just want to make sure. You guys, typically you say if you can't hear me, so you guys probably can hear me. You're probably just, it's probably just Friday and you're chilling out. I like to make these candles longer so then if I wanted to move my stop up, I could do it easily without interfering with the actual move, if that makes sense. Like I could put it here and not feel like I'm getting too close. Okay, good. Yes, David. When you sign up, you get all of my schedules or settings for each product. So I run oil overnight. I run ES and NQ early morning to like lunchtime. So yeah, so I have all of that described in my settings spreadsheet when you join the group that's given to you. Yeah. So the only thing I'm in right now is this gold trade. Oh, I was going to get... So let's talk about the market. NQ ran up 200 points. I'm not really sure. But then it dropped from 800 back down to almost 700. So I think it kind of picked up more buyers who were waiting, like all of these people. Obviously, it could drop again, but let's kind of keep an eye on... Well, I'm going to keep an eye on my point of control. I'm probably going to not let this just be a full loss. Because this might want to continue its move down, and I don't want to give all my profits back if that's the case. So we'll see if it's ready to pop back up. It looks like it's kind of trending with the market. It's funny. Sometimes gold will do exactly what the market's doing, and then other times it will be the total opposite. If the market's running up, it will go down, stuff like that. So. Alright, so that's fine. I didn't want to be in this for a full loss, so I'll take that loss. Still up 270 on the day with gold. First time running that one, so that's fine. I might get in a short here with NQ. Where are we at? 47. Yeah. What time is it? 9:21. So we're under the VWAP, and we're under that point of control, and we're under the quarter point of 50. So I'm actually taking a short here at 47. All right, I locked up a few points. If it comes back to this 50 area, I'll take it again. I typically don't trade it before the open, but because it has so much movement and it's so volatile because of that 200-point move, I'm willing to trade it now, like earlier. But as it gets closer to 9:30, I'm not going to. See how that panned out. This is kind of like yesterday with the move up, and then it pulled back, and this was a losing trade, and then it continued. So it might continue on this short. We'll see. I'm going to keep a close eye on it. It's Friday. Damn, look at this drop from 47. It's at 32 now. Still dropping. Again, I'm going to stretch this out so I can move my... I definitely want to let it run, but I don't want that open to happen and for it to turn around because the market might bounce back up. We'll see. Oh, I might stop myself here. Oh, I might pull a top for that. See, it's really following the NASDAQ, which is crazy.
Order filled.
Alright, whatever. I'm being kind of funky since this is the first day taking gold, but it will probably continue. This is probably just a pullback, and then this will continue, but here's what it is. I want to focus on NQ going into this open. I'm debating if I should put on the 4-1 or not, just for shits and giggles. Came from that 47, moved to 20. That was nice. All right. Market opens in 7 minutes. I wonder if I should go make some tea. Oh, yeah, I need to get in on this. What? Do you see this area down here? That 22 bounce. It went a little lower. And bounced off 17, 18. There's really no buyers or sellers showing here as far as like the heat map is concerned. I think it's going to bounce back up, but you really don't know. Because when NQ wants to drop, oh, it drops. We're at the quarter point of 25. So 5 minutes until the market opens. What did gold end up doing? Yeah, see, gold's kind of following the market. It's kind of... That big one was just that wave down. See if we can push back up here to like 50. Do 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 do. 4 minutes till the market opens. Yeah, no, that's totally smart, Steven. Because it typically happens when there's a huge move like that. Oh gosh, like all investors are taking their money and they're like, hey, like we just had a 200-point move. Just one contract is $4,000. So think about these people that trade like 10 contracts or 20 contracts. Like they're like, oh, I just made 40K. Bye. Like that's pretty much what that looks like. All right, market in 3 minutes. I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. 1 minute till the market opens. I really want to run this 4-1 and open. Yeah. I could edit it and put a max profit. Well, I could do 750. All right, well, it's 9:30. Let's see if this works out. It looks like it's freezing. All right, NQ is dropping a bit.
Order submitted.
ES is in a trade. This NQ might not work out. It's taking forever to load. I see how my NQ's my thing's kind of freezing. Whoa. What are we in on or short on the ES? All right, I guess I'm short NQ. We giving back that whole 200 points. I'm short NQ at 86. See if we can break 75. All right, I was taken out there. Got some profit. I'd like to be able to see this ES chart that's up $50, but now 100. I hate that I can't see it because my charts are frozen. We'll see what happens. There's a lot going on today. Short again at 80. Nice. This is a nice move down. Got taken out at 75 for $100. Look at all of this down here. See, this is why I wanted to be able to see my ES chart. Freaking NinjaTrader. I'll just watch it here. It's the only trade I'm in. So the NASDAQ is kind of stuck in this heavy volume area between 70 and 90. So we'll just give it a second. See what it's gonna do above 90. Watching that is not helpful because it's not doing anything. Obviously, I don't want to close out. All right. This is kind of like yesterday where it was stuck for a while between like 10 or 20 points. And then it finally broke out at like 950. So we might have another day like that today. It's holding it strong here at like 75, 70. That's where it keeps getting buyers. If it breaks this 70, then we're nice short should be coming. Here we go. I'm short from 86. Hell yeah, this is a nice move. My stop loss is at 66. All right, that was like 300 or something. I still can't touch my screens. Green on the day, which was good because I had a $200 loss a little bit before that. Just trying to view my chart. Like I feel like I can't move this. NQ's dropping, so that's my... Why is she calling me at 9 in the morning? Oh my God. Alright, there we go. Charts are back. So this is that ES trade that I'm in. Definitely not going to give it like a bunch of legs. We're getting up to that 90 area of NQ where NQ might pop back up. We'll see. If not, seems like it wants to. Seems like NQ is going to try to break out of this rectangle.
Order filled.
There it goes. All right, I stopped myself in ES. I'm looking to take along here in the NQ on my TradeAvate account. It's going to have some resistance, but I think it will push higher. Oops. I hate when it does that. There we go, pushing higher. Here we go. I'm long from 90, 91. My stop loss is at 01 now. Here we go. So I'm still moving my stop loss up. My stop loss is at 06 and I was taken out at 06. So it's another $300 there. So now I'm up 310 because I had a little loss before that. That makes me happy. So lots of resistance here at 25. This is where we ultimately were hanging around and I thought we would continue moving up, but then we didn't and we dropped. So obviously you're running into people selling. It could drop, but now we're above the VWAP. And this was my point of control before, 30. So if we clearly get over 25 and 30 here, I will buy. I am long again. Tight stop. It's got some legs here. There we go. All right, I'm in the green. I took like $50 and it got stopped. Look at these legs. All right, so the ES trade was bullshit. I'm going to turn ES off. I'm kind of sick of ES this week. ES has not been that great this week. Keep an eye on oil. Keep an eye on gold. I'm up 300 manually, and then I'm red on the day because I traded Bitcoin last night. I actually have a video on it, so I will probably post that later today. So we're back to the 25, 26 area. All right, it looks like it wants to drop back down. See if we can get back above 25, 26. Nope. It's like, no, sir. Dropped again below VWAP. I think it's just going to hang out here and come back up, honestly. It made that whole recovery even above 25, 30. Get back above 25, that would be really good. It's having a hard time. It's having a hard time. So the consolidation, ran down, consolidation, ran up, consolidation. Let's mark that. So it wants to move back down. Okay. Then it'll go back down. And then you can see there's obviously people, lots of support at 0, 0. Lots of volatility in NQ this morning. Lots of volatility. Oops, I didn't mean to roll this. Sorry. I was trying to roll this. Hey, here's that long I was talking about, back above 25. See if I can run to 50. There's so many people that don't want it to live above 30. If it breaks the 0, 0, it's going back down just like that. Damn, that was like 400 in seconds. Look at that. Again, back in now, back in that 90 to 70 area. Oh, look, it just bounced out of 90. Oh, and Q, you're so wild. You are so wild. Trying to see if this will load again or if it's going to freeze on me. Back into that kind of 10 to 25 range. So you got the 70 to 90, and then you got the 10 to 25. But it's hard to short here because then you run into 0, 0. I'm not looking in the chat because things are so crazy.
Order canceled.
Hey, Enzo.
Order submitted. Order
Well,
canceled.
I'm going to be done with that. Well, that was fun for all of like 2 seconds. Oh, damn, look at this oil trade. Things are just too volatile this morning. This volatility is insane. Enzo, this is that NQ that will scare you again. All right, so again, back up from 90. So look how it touched. Look at this area. It freaking, both times, went here, bounced up, almost went, bounced back up. I like the long, but it's not panning out like, you know, overall from these areas. The shorts are just killing it. But for this short to work, it has to get below 80. Like, is it ready this time? This would be the 3rd time. Looks like it's ready. Look at this bounce every time. Bounce, 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 bounce. But the selling pressure is so strong that it should break it at some point. It should. That doesn't mean it will. Or just take the bounce every time. It's in between the VWAP and this point of control, which is a pretty big area. 80 to 15. That's kind of like that 25 too. Huge channel from 941 to 945. Can it get over this VWAP and move above 25 and then move to 50? That's the question. Again, pulling back to 13,700. It's crazy there's like really no buyers here. Well, now there's some showing up. Oh, not really. Not really. The buyers show up with these icebergs and then it just like plummets. I'm still kind of watching this, playing with it. I believe it's going to move back up. It just has a lot of selling pressure.
Order submitted.
Oh, in some kind of trade. Now it's up to 20. There it goes. There it goes to 25. Damn, all you had to do was take this bounce every time. 80 to 13. 85, well this one was kind of small. So 80 to 13, 80 to 20, 0, 0. I am hungry. What trade am I in? Oh, I'm up $140. Gold has been active today. Okay, gold. Let me just go ahead and do this because I've been giving back a bunch of money today. I've been a real hands-on trader today. All right, so this, ooh, NQ, just keeps going. Gold has been like my savior today. It was up 900 before. Damn, should have taken that. Well, I'm back to 600, so I'm fine with that. That's the highest for me today because this trade was only 500 when the biggest move was 900. So I'm cool with that. And that covers that stupid NQ quick I just did a little while ago. But I had made 300 before in it, so I guess I'm only down 200 in that for the day. Yeah, thanks Jesse, they're fun. Nice job, Enzo. Have a good one. Yeah, I'm about to be done too. Like I am done. I made, what is it now? 300 still, like 220 in my manual account. Look, it's trying to break that 30 area. Look at all of this. Oh, this is so nasty. But see, shorting here is so hard because obviously oh my gosh, but look at that. 30 down to 10 in like seconds. This is what's so hard is because sometimes you'll see that area with all that messy volume or like those orders, and then it will still be able to break through. Like people will just pull their orders out. Kind of like here. See how it's like trying to break through now? Like I like this long with a tight stop. See, it's trying. This is another $60 just because jumped into, oh, there it goes. See? So if this would have happened here, then these shorts, people trying to short, would have been killed. So that's why you can't just say, oh, we're running into this, especially when you're trending higher, higher, higher. Okay, you can't just say, oh, I'm going to short at this resistance. You really just need to be careful if you're in a long. It went to 50. That's great. Let me check my regular stocks now since I've been neglecting them. Walmart is just such a waste of my time. I don't even know why. Let's see. Oh, Apple's back at 129. What was Apple at the other day? DM 126. I definitely should have gotten in. Long term. All right. Alright, where are we at? Probably going to wrap it up here. It's going to get choppy now, like real choppy. It's 9:52. Alright, so I am green in my manual account. I'm red in my Algo account today because I missed that $4,000 trade. Yeah, because I traded Bitcoin like a dummy. Alright, so let's see. Today's Friday. Let's see what I did this week on my manual account. So I'm up $1,000. I'll show you guys this. Try to hide my account number. I'm up $1,000 on the week. 62% win rate. Oh, after fees, it's $500. You know, I need to reach out to them because I don't think they have me on that plan anymore that they're supposed to have me on, which is, let's see. Membership. I would yeah, I'm gonna have to email them today. Put me back on that higher one. So, all right, I am going to wrap it up here. Thank you guys for joining. Have a great weekend. Be safe, and we'll talk later. All right, bye.